What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I do look at SoFi Technologies twice a week, every Tuesday and Friday. So if you guys are interested in market structure updates, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And also leave a like. That lets me know that you guys do like to see this content and you want to see more of it. So let's take a look at SoFi Technology since last week Friday. It was right where this green bar closed, and it was pretty bearish because price is below the EMA, and I said that if price comes back in this yellow range, there's a good chance it can continue much lower. And you can see that we're getting rejection off of this trend line that I drew off the swing highs. So there is some type of resistance going on right back here in Friday and Monday. And price just continued to collapse down lower. So there's a measure move target that the bears are trying to reach. This was one leg down right over here. This is the second leg down. We saw the first attempt fail. Now this is the second attempt by the sellers. So this was the first attempt to reach this measure move target that failed. Now we're seeing the second attempt. So again, the second attempt can be the last attempt if we do see a strong reversal. However, even on the second attempt, price may pull back for a final third attempt. Normally you'll see 3 pushes towards that measurement target. 4 is, I don't really see 4 a lot. I think 2 is pretty common and 3 is also pretty common. Other than that, the other waves down are not as common. So again, this is the second attempt. That could be the final attempt. Depends on if we break this trend line and get back above the $8 level. If we're still within this trend line and we get rejected from it, we're going to probably see another push down towards that 532 level. So that's where the measurement target is. And since price is falling back down inside of this range, it can come back down to the lows of the range, which is at the 480. So again, this is not a good sign for SoFi Technologies, not a good sign for FinTech because PayPal is also dropping. So there's a good chance that SoFi is also looking bearish itself too. So again, this is looking pretty bad because bears are on its way to reach that measure move target. Price came back inside this yellow range, which is not a good sign, below the EMA, and this trend line is definitely doing something to the price. So you can see that it's working its way down. Lower highs, lower lows, that's a downtrend. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart. You can see that we had a pretty big red bar on mid-September, somewhat of a pullback on late September, and this early October we're seeing continued selling towards the downside. So we're already breaking the EMA on the weekly chart, which is not a good sign. And again, it looks like price can come back to fill in the gap on the weekly chart right over here, which is at the mid $5 level. So again, pretty bearish for SoFi Technologies. Measure move targets are not always reached, so let's keep that in mind too. However, there's a good chance of reaching it. Until I see aggressive buying occur, this measure move target is in play. So that's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week, Tuesday, and I'll give you guys an update on Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.